Think you're making a smart choice with that family SUV? You might be walking into a financial trap. Most family SUVs are terrible investments disguised as practical purchases. In this video, we'll uncover the 3 family SUVs that'll cost you thousands in repairs, plus the 4 gems that actually deliver on their promises. Let's dive in. Number 1. Jeep Grand Cherokee. We might not be the first ones to tell you that buying a used or new Jeep Grand Cherokee could be one of the biggest mistakes you make this year. You see, Consumer Reports just dropped some brutal numbers. Out of 34 car brands, guess where Jeep landed? Dead last. Even when they removed luxury brands from the equation, Jeep still couldn't climb higher than 15th out of 15 mainstream brands. That's not just bad luck, that's a pattern in the substandard quality of their vehicles. What about the Grand Cherokee itself? Well, it scored a pathetic 22 out of 100 for predicted reliability from Consumer Reports. The 2024 model alone has racked up 10 different safety recalls. We're talking about cameras that stop working when you need them most, engines that fail, cooling systems that quit, and airbags that malfunction. In 2024, Chrysler had to recall over 338,000 Jeeps because they could suddenly lose control while driving due to a potential steering issue. But wait, it gets worse. Over 331,000 Grand Cherokees of 2021 to 2023 model years have faulty suspension that can cause wheels to completely separate while driving. Nothing says off-road capability quite like your wheel going off-road while you're still on it. Even the newest models aren't safe from transmission nightmares. For instance, one Grand Cherokee 4xe owner with just 17,500 miles reported that their brand new SUV gets stuck in first gear and requires revving to dangerous levels until they manually force it into neutral. Another owner bought a new Cherokee and has already dealt with 3 safety recalls plus transmission problems at just 20,000 miles. Up next is an SUV from a legacy automaker that's gone from building icons to engineering disasters. Number 2. Ford Escape Hybrid. Picture this. You're trying to be environmentally conscious and save money on gas, so you buy a Ford Escape Hybrid for your growing family with a starting price of $30,650. 6 months or a year later, you're sitting in a service bay, watching your eco-friendly choice drain your bank account. This is the harsh reality for many Escape Hybrid owners who thought they were making a smart choice. With an impressive 42 miles per gallon city and 36 miles per gallon highway, it offers one of the best fuel economies in its class. Ford even loaded it with modern tech like the Sync 4 system and a massive 13.2-inch touchscreen that feels genuinely premium. The 5-star NHTSA safety rating doesn't hurt either. Consumer Reports predicts the 2025 Escape Hybrid will score just 21 out of 100 for reliability. That's catastrophically below average. This prediction is based on real-world data from 2022 to 2024 models. Owners consistently report transmission nightmares, rough shifting, delayed engagement, and complete failures that leave families stranded at the worst possible moments. While persistent interior rattles make every drive feel like you're in a rolling toolbox. Engine problems plague this hybrid, from exhaust leaks to complete engine failure, along with the CVT transmission reliability issues that Nissan and Honda owners know all too well. Car and Driver fittingly states that the Escape Hybrid's second-rate interior quality, forgettable driving dynamics, and bumpy ride put it behind rivals. Cargo capacity in the Ford Escape Hybrid is on the lower end for its class, with 34.4 cubic feet behind the rear seats and 60.8 cubic feet when the seats are folded. By comparison, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid provides 37.6 cubic feet behind the rear seat and 69.8 cubic feet with the seats folded, while the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid offers even more, with 38.7 cubic feet and up to 74.5 cubic feet when folded. In December 2024, Ford recalled 20,484 Escape Hybrids over battery defects that could cause fires or total failure. Are you willing to buy a family SUV that could catch fire? Our final worst SUV proves that even luxury price tags can't guarantee basic reliability. Number 3. Land Rover Range Rover Evoke. The Land Rover Range Rover Evoke has an absolutely stunning exterior. It's like the supermodel of SUVs, all curves and presence that'll make heads turn at every stoplight. But here's the thing about supermodels. They're often high maintenance, and this one will drain your wallet fast. CarEdge estimates the Evoke will cost approximately $17,300 in maintenance and repairs during its first decade, $4,800 more than the luxury SUV average, with a shocking 51.26% chance of major repairs. Since its 2017 debut, the Evoke has been conspicuously absent from any lists of best SUVs, and there are plenty of solid reasons for that. Under that beautiful hood sits the 2.0-liter Ingenium engine. And folks, this thing is basically one of the worst SUV engines out there. We're talking about timing chains that stretch and snap as early as 50,000 miles, leaving you with very expensive engine repairs. Moreover, the turbochargers love to fail, thanks to cheap materials and questionable design choices. When they go off, oil floods your combustion chamber, causing something called hydrolock that can bend your connecting rods. The diesel variant of the Ingenium engine has a much worse issue called oil dilution, where fuel mixes with your oil and turns it into expensive soup. Short trips make this worse, accelerating engine wear until everything falls apart. Then there's the 9-speed transmission that shifts like it's having an identity crisis. Rough, slippery, and often completely confused about what gear it wants to be in. Repairs range from $3,000 to $8,000 when it finally gives up. With a steep price of $51,200, the Evoke falls short in space, practicality, and comfort compared to rivals like the BMW X1, Mercedes-Benz GLB class, and Volvo XC40. Despite its bulky exterior, the cabin is surprisingly cramped, especially in the back, where rear seat passengers are met with tight quarters that feel downright confining. Are you willing to buy an SUV that will lose its resale value by 52% after 5 years? Let's talk about 4 great SUVs that actually deserve your hard-earned money and will keep your family safe on the road. Number 4. Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride stands as a shining example of what happens when manufacturers actually listen to families' needs. This midsize SUV has earned widespread acclaim not through marketing hype, but by delivering genuine value and reliability that families can depend on day after day. J.D. Power gave it an outstanding 83 out of 100 for quality and reliability, and Kelley Blue Book has been so impressed they've handed it their midsize SUV Best Buy award 6 years running. Safety forms the foundation of the Telluride's appeal, and the numbers speak for themselves. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration awarded it a coveted 5-star overall rating, with perfect 5-star scores for side impact and rollover protection, plus a solid 4-star frontal crash rating. The IIHS went further, designating the 2025 Telluride as a top safety pick plus in the midsize SUV category. Beyond safety, the Telluride excels at what matters most to families. Standard 8-passenger seating provides room for everyone, while generous second-row legroom ensures even tall teenagers can stretch out comfortably. The third row actually offers usable space for adults, not just children, and still leaves 21 cubic feet for cargo behind it. The 291 horsepower V6 gives you smooth, confident power while still managing fuel economy of 22 miles per gallon combined. And here's the cherry on top. Kia backs it all with a 10-year powertrain warranty because they know this SUV will go the distance. Before we reveal the final 3, make sure to leave a like and share your thoughts on the SUVs we've mentioned so far. Number 3. Honda CR-V. Well, this compact SUV was the 4th best-selling vehicle in all of 2024, with over 402,000 people choosing it as their ride. When that many people put their money down on something starting at $31,500, you know it's doing something right. What's impressive is how the CR-V manages to excel in virtually every category that matters to families looking for an SUV. Consumer Reports looked at the data from 2023 and 2024 models and confidently predicted the 2025 CR-V will be more reliable than the average new car. That's exactly what you want to hear when you're making a long-term investment for your family's transportation. Kelley Blue Book was so impressed they named it Best Compact SUV for 2025. And here's something more encouraging. 83% of actual owners would recommend this SUV to others. Behind the wheel, the CR-V strikes that perfect balance between practicality and enjoyment. The 190 horsepower turbocharged engine gives you plenty of zip for merging and highway passing, while the handling feels surprisingly agile for a family hauler. You're not just getting from point A to point B, you might actually enjoy the journey. The fuel economy numbers will make your wallet happy too. The front-wheel drive version delivers an impressive 28 city and 34 highway miles per gallon, and even with all-wheel drive, you're still looking at excellent efficiency that keeps those gas station visits to a minimum. Step inside and you'll immediately notice why families love this SUV. We're talking about nearly 39 cubic feet of cargo space and genuinely comfortable seating for 5 people. The materials feel premium, especially in the leather-equipped sport touring trim, and those honeycomb air vents add a nice touch of style to the dashboard. Safety-wise, Honda knocked it out of the park with a perfect 5-star NHTSA rating. Every model comes loaded with driver assistance features like forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Also, Honda's rock-solid reliability means you'll spend just $7,650 on maintenance over 10 years. That's $545 less than the industry average. Number 2. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 isn't just another SUV. It's the one that sets the standard everyone else tries to reach. Consumer Reports confirmed this by ranking it as the second most reliable SUV with an impressive 84 out of 100 reliability score. But the real validation comes from American families who made it the best-selling non-truck vehicle of 2024 with over 475,000 units sold. What makes this even more remarkable is that sales actually grew 9% from 2023, despite the current generation nearing the end of its life cycle. This tells you everything about Toyota's reputation. People trust the brand so completely that they'll choose an aging model over brand new competitors, simply because they know it'll outlast them all. This unwavering confidence stems from Toyota's legendary approach to safety and reliability. The ICE consistently awards the RAV4 good ratings across every crash test category, with most models earning the prestigious Top Safety Pick Plus designation when properly equipped. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration backs this up with a perfect 5-star overall rating, including flawless side impact scores that give families real peace of mind. Beyond crash protection, Toyota builds safety into every aspect of the driving experience. Their comprehensive Safety Sense suite comes standard on every RAV4, delivering automatic emergency braking, lane departure alerts, and adaptive cruise control that actively work to prevent accidents before they happen. Also, the driving experience perfectly balances practicality with comfort. Edmunds describes the RAV4's interior as something that's easy to live with. After all, the rear seats provide genuine support with ample legroom for adults. Cargo space exceeds expectations with 37 cubic feet behind the seats, expanding to an impressive 69 cubic feet when folded down. Under the hood, the 203 horsepower 4-cylinder engine delivers exactly what families need: reliable power paired with exceptional efficiency. We're talking about highway fuel economy that reaches 35 miles per gallon with front-wheel drive, dropping only slightly to 33 miles per gallon when you add all-wheel drive capability. Starting at $30,650 for the well-equipped LE trim and climbing to $39,000 for the Limited, which adds premium touches like dual-zone climate control and heated seats. 5 adults fit without complaint, and you get Toyota's legendary dependability that'll keep running long after other SUVs have given up. Number 1. Subaru Forester. Parents.com awarded the new Subaru Forester their Best Family Cars Award for 2025. Once you see the Consumer Reports numbers, you'll understand the excitement. We're talking about a near-perfect 98 out of 100 predicted reliability score and 4 out of 5 owner satisfaction score, and gives families genuine peace of mind. What makes the Forester so special starts with something that sets Subaru apart from everyone else: standard all-wheel drive on every single model, even the most affordable trim. Subaru believes every family deserves the confidence and safety that comes with sure-footed traction in any weather condition. The moment you step inside, you'll be pleasantly surprised by how comfortable and spacious this compact SUV feels. Mid-level trims and above feature thoughtful touches like leather-wrapped gear selector and heated ventilated front seats that show Subaru's attention to daily comfort. The spacious rear seats offer genuine room for adults to relax, while the cargo area provides impressive utility. Even with all seats in use, you'll have plenty of space for family gear, expanding to a massive 75 cubic feet when you fold the 60/40 split rear seat. When it comes to the driving experience, the 2.5-liter flat-4 engine produces a thoughtful 180 horsepower, paired with Subaru's smooth, continuously variable transmission. While it may not win any drag races, it delivers exactly what families need: reliable, efficient power that gets an impressive 26 city and 33 highway miles per gallon. Safety isn't an afterthought here. It's woven into the Forester's DNA. The IIHS consistently awards it with top safety pick, plus honors and good ratings across nearly every crash test category. Moreover, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration backs this up with a perfect 5-star rating. If you enjoyed this video, YouTube thinks you'll love this next video too. Thanks for watching.